All right, what's going on, YouTube? I want to take you on a quick tour of my channel to show you some of the things that I have here on my channel. Are you sure you know what you're doing? You're going to tell all these people out there in YouTube land what is going on? Well, I have some videos on this John Deere lawnmower. I have videos on this snow thrower, and I have videos on this push mower. I have some videos on this pool. I have lots of videos on this Harman pellet stove. I got videos on this camper. Videos on this Toyota Tundra. More videos on my wife's Honda CR-V. Videos on this Mitsubishi air conditioner, inside and outside. You like the picture of me? And I've even made some stuff out of wood on my channel, like this cornhole board, this cross, and this star. My YouTube channel is organized. If you click on playlist and you scroll down, everything here is in playlist. I have John Deere movies, Harman pellet stove movies, water filtration, my small engine, my camper, my pool, everything's organized if you go on the playlist. And if you're on a phone, you can do the same thing and click on playlists, and it comes up like this, and everything is organized. Even my home page is organized. If you want to look at stuff, go to the home page, Patrick, and you scroll down. It's all kind of organized also on my home page. All right, thank you for visiting my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Please leave me a comment down below and give me a thumbs up for every video on my YouTube channel. I hope you know what you're doing with all these videos. You think these people are going to really watch this stuff?